$127. So this is the parking spot. Go either way. Go down here. Watch your steps. Go here. And we have our tent set up over here. Keep going. We got another canopy set up here because it's hot. Look at the family. Everybody is just trying to get away from the heat. Beer canister there. And the fire pit over here. I put that tarp to cover the beer canister because it's just too hot. So that's the beer canister. Got my solar light charging here. And then this site has another spot here that you can put another small tent if you want. So this tent has two zippers. Let's open it. One goes this way on the bottom. You don't have to do both. That's just the option. One goes up. That. Then it opens up. This here is the rain guard. So the rain guard just ties into anything you can find. It's got four corners. So what I like about this rain guard is that it's got a strap here, and then it also hooks down here. Oh, and then another strap here that I didn't use. Obviously, I didn't read the instructions. I just put it up. So even with the rain guard on, it's still ventilated. So you can see out there all the corners. So that's pretty nice. So I am standing up. My head is touching the middle right now. I am about 5'5". So that's our queen size air mattress. It's a pouch over here. So the doors over here, it's got these hanging thingies. Looking out again. Another pouch over here. These are ventilation vent. Got 1, 2, 3, and then I like that it's opens from inside. And there's another one here I forgot to set up last night, but it pulls out. So yeah, and it's got this up here to hold stuff. Let's put a solar light there. We're even able to fit a drawer. That's a camping drawer. There's a cooling pad for the dogs, and then one of the dogs likes to sleep in here, so we put his bed in there. Through the magic of editing. Ta-da! So this campsite actually has really nice bathrooms. So walk to it. You have the water spout. No fish cleaning or dishwashing. And then there's two. I believe there are two in each section, and every 6 to 7 site has a bathroom. So look how clean it is. It's got automatic light. This is one of the cleanest bathrooms I've seen at a campsite.